Welcome to our first lesson of learning Canva. Some people don't know what Canva is, so let me quick introduce you Canva. If you have any questions related to the video, comment down below. We will reply very soon. So Canva is basically a graphic design tool for non-graphic designers. In Canva, you can create many things. For example, a desktop wallpaper, a Instagram post, a video, a YouTube channel art, a YouTube icon, card, poster, and this list just goes on and on. There are so many things you can create in Canva. So basically what we are going to do today is I'm going to introduce you to Canva. I'm just going to tell you the basics of Canva in this video, but we will learn more about Canva in our next videos. So right now we're just going to create a desktop wallpaper really quick, and you can create wallpapers or posts, whatever you want to create by these templates. But if you don't like the templates, it's a no issue because you can also create your own from scratch. So for example, I want a photo in my desktop wallpaper. I'll just write here, for example, I just write mountains, and there are so many mountains over here, so I will just pick this one. So over here I will just do this. So this is there's empty space over here, but I have no worries about that because I can add some text over here. For example, I'll write you get educated by traveling. So I will just adjust the size. There we go. So now I want to change the font, so I will go over here and I can change the font very easily. Maybe I can do this. This is a very good font. We can do this one. We can do this one. We can do this one as well. But I'm going to use this one because I like this one. So I will just adjust. There we go. Now you can also change the text color. Over here you have to click this A button, and then you will go over here and I can choose any color from here. For example, I want this gray, maybe this one. I can use this yellow, orange, like there are many colors over here. But if you don't want some colors over here, maybe some people don't have the colors they want over here, so I don't see many pink colors over here, so I'll just write pink over here, and then this will give me many pink colors from here. Maybe I can also write orange, and then there are many orange shades over here. So I will just pick this one, and that there it is, our desktop wallpaper. Quick. So I can also change the background color by just clicking on the background. You can make it white, default color. You can make it gray, any color you like I said before. So I will make it just the gray color, and you can go in elements over here and you can add elements to it. For example, I add a note. Just write a note like this, and there we go. That's what I wanted. This one. Yeah. So I'm just put it over here, and I will change the colors of it. I will put my custom color over here. There we go, this color, and then I will put this one as white. Okay, so I have this because why did I put it over here? Because I can also put this on my. So as you guys can see that I am going to put this over here, but I can't see it because this is in the front. So what I'll do is I will right click on my text, and then I will press this button, the bring forward one, so it will come forward. So I will just put this over here. I will tilt it a little bit. There we go. I will adjust it a little smaller, and there we go. There is the text, and I will just delete that. Now I have my desktop wallpaper all ready, and this took me less than 2 minutes to create. So I hope you guys learned something new in this video, and we will meet very soon again. So yeah, and if you have any questions related to the video, comment down below. We will reply very soon, and don't be shy.